Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Kia Sorento tire. First, prioritize safety by parking your vehicle on a level, stable surface, away from moving traffic. Engage the parking brake and turn on your hazard lights to alert other drivers. Locate your spare tire, jack, and lug wrench, typically found in the trunk or under the vehicle. Finally, place wheel chocks behind the wheel diagonally opposite the flat tire for added stability. Now, with the vehicle safely secured, use your lug wrench to loosen each lug nut about 1/2 to 1 full turn. Do not remove them yet. Next, carefully position the jack under the vehicle's frame, near the flat tire, at the designated lift point. Slowly raise the vehicle until the flat tire is completely clear of the ground, ensuring the car remains stable throughout the lifting process. With the vehicle elevated, you can now fully remove all the lug nuts by hand. Once they are off, carefully grasp the flat tire and pull it straight towards you, removing it from the wheel studs. Set the flat tire aside. Next, lift your spare tire and align its holes with the wheel studs on the hub. Push the spare tire firmly onto the hub until it sits flush against the brake rotor. Now, place the lug nuts back onto the wheel studs and hand tighten them as much as possible. Once all nuts are in place, use the jack to slowly lower your Kia Sorento completely to the ground. With the vehicle fully on the ground, use the lug wrench to tighten all lug nuts firmly in a star pattern. Finally, check the spare tire's pressure and drive cautiously to a service center.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.